Hello everyone, hope you're alright. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I add beneficial microbes in my soil. Microbes are really important for the health of a soil. Microbes help break down organic matter and make available the nutrients for the plants which are normally not available to the plants. So basically by adding the beneficial microbes to the soil, you condition the soil, you nourish the soil, and in turn the plants get nourished, the plants get strong and healthy, and they produce more for you. So here I have got this 10-liter bucket and I'm going to add 2 liters of rice water in it. Basically I took half kg of rice and I soaked them in 2 liters of water for an hour or so. After that I drained the rice water and I let it sit in this bottle for 7 days, and that's what it is. It has lots of starch in it which will act as a food for the microbes, and I'm going to add 200 ml of full fat dairy milk which has lots of microbes in it, and I will let this mix sit for 7 days so the microbes will feed on the starch and the fermentation process will happen. So this is after 7 days. You can see the top layer of bubbles which is basically due to microbial activity. So basically when microbes feed on the starch, they release lots of gases which rise to the top of the water and accumulate there. And there is curd sitting at the bottom of the water. So here I'm going to drain this mix, and basically I'm going to separate the whey which is rich in microbes and they are beneficial for the soil. So I'm going to drain it carefully, removing the curd, and I only need the whey. So here I'm using a piece of thin fabric to drain my mix, and I will take my time so I can drain it carefully. So here I have drained all the mix and this is looking nice. This is the whey which is rich in microbes, and I'm going to use 200 ml of this whey and I'm going to dilute it to 10 liters. So 200 ml of whey I have added to this 10-liter bucket. I'm going to add water in it. Before that I'm also going to add a couple of tablespoons of sugar which will keep feeding the microbes. And basically you can use molasses or raw sugar, which is better, but this is what I have at home, so I'm going to use normal sugar and I'm going to dilute it up to 10 liters. So there are lots of recipes available with a little bit of variation to make your own microbes, so you can add them to the soil. This is my recipe, my version, and this works for me. So basically all the recipes follow the same principle. You add a microbial source and you add a food source for the microbes. You let the fermentation happen and basically you create the favorable conditions for the microbes to multiply in less time. So you have lots of microbes going on, and basically that's what you need. This is very concentrated mix. Now I will let it sit for another couple of days. So this homemade microbial mix is ready to be used now. It has lots of beneficial microbes which will improve the health of the soil and break down the organic matter, and basically the plants will get nutrients which are normally not available to them. So this is very concentrated. I'm going to use 100 ml of it in 1 gallon of water, and I will feed my plants with it once a month. You can also use it before planting a new crop. So when you take out the old crop and you prepare the soil for the new crop, you can use this microbial mix and it will help replenish the soil. I also use the concentrated version of this microbial mix on my compost heap, which will help break down the organic matter and will make the decomposition process really fast. So this is the really easy and cheap way to make beneficial microbes at your home. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. You can also join my channel for extra perks. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye.